miles northeast of Nantahala Lake, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 168, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Haywood, Henderson, Iredell, Jackson, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Polk, Richmond, Rowan, Rutherford, Stanley, Transylvania, and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Greenville, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Oconee, Pickens, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 168 has been issued from 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Haywood, Henderson, Iredell, Jackson, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Polk, Richmond, Rowan, Rutherford, Stanley, Transylvania, and Union, and the following counties